in Article 2 of European Union Directive 2011/36. And as I say, post-EU exit, we look at Article 4 of the European Convention on Action Against Trafficking instead, which is a bit of a shame because it's not quite as helpful in terms of an expanded definition of exploitation and an expanded definition of abuse of a position of vulnerability, both of which are key terms. But I suggest that the effect of approaching it in that way through Article 4 of ECAT rather than through Article 2 of the directive, which was then permissible, achieves the same thing. And as I say, the principal purpose of doing that is for simplicity of the trafficker, the abuse of vulnerability of the person who is trafficked, and indeed it includes coercion or the threat of force or deception. So all of those will suffice for the means. And then with children, the significance of not requiring the means is that if you are recruited for exploitation of criminal activities, you are a victim of trafficking. As to stage 2, is there clear evidence of a credible defense of duress? What a prosecutor is really asking here is if the defense were raised, looking at the position as it would be at the end of the defense case, can it be said still, taking into account the merits of that prospective defense, that there is a realistic prospect of conviction?